Wake up at 7 in the morning. Run 700 minutes every day. Just keep moving forward. Just focus on positive energies. You know what? I'm sick of these words. I see them on every single inspirational channel. I'm pretty sure even a small decision was sometimes hard for you, or you weren't in the mood for it. There was a day when you woke up early, but deep down you wanted to sleep more. And surely this happened. You saw an inspirational speech and you thought to yourself, is this even real? That I should be hopeful and gain positive energies even at the lowest part of my life when all I have is pain and suffering? Should I really go out for exercise every day without any breaks? Is it necessary for me to wake up early every day? The answer for sure is no. Such articles published in the name of psychology only focus on motivation. But is the motivation itself really enough? Of course not. In psychology, we have a term called mental exhaustion, as it means that one is unable to make the smallest choices. He is not in the mood to do anything. He only wants to get some rest and doesn't really want to talk to anyone. Mental exhaustion might happen to everyone, and I must say that it doesn't mean that the person is depressed. Sometimes we're facing a lot of stress, or sometimes we experience constant troubles, and that trouble and stress make us tired of continuing our path. In situations like this, none of us needs motivation. All we need is a little rest. Don't get me wrong, positive motivations are not bad, but when we are tired and try to continue our journey with motivation, there is no other result other than the regression of the situation, both in our psyche and in our situations. The truth is that we have to admit that we are humans and not just some sort of rock. And we can't always stay the same. We don't have to always move forward. We just have to try not to stand still. If it's necessary, sometimes we should take a look at our past. Maybe we had some sort of unsolved problem back then, blocked the road for us from moving forward. You know what I'm talking about. We cannot ignore our own sufferings and just try to think positively because unresolved sufferings remain in us, somewhere really deep inside us that you might not even notice. German psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud once said, unexpressed feelings never die. They are buried alive and come out in even uglier ways in the future. So, if you are upset, there is no problem with resting for a while and continuing to be upset. Just try to find the cause of it. Take it easy, buddy. See you in the next video.